What's up, guys? Red Black X, Jamie Shanks here. First, let me turn on the lights here. Finally, you can see this car better. This car here, which is my Dodge Charger with itself. But first we're going to start with is real plates front as well as 446X front sport windshield. I used the Speed Champions wheels by CC4. That technique. Speed Champions. Here is the cockpit. Controls in it. And you can still just put a Mayfig inside it. And also, this here, so it's one red, slope here, other side the same, because Overwatch sticker, the full one on the other side, as well on the back here. Includes that car or slope. Includes the red and orange lights. Also this license plate says ZP41352 as well. That motor here was shown there. Also these two black grill pieces. Tile pieces. Also these grey ones. These gold handlebars on each side. Back here, one grill piece on back. Also, that's my Lego Supercar Dodge Charger. Or X. Also, make sure to like, comment, also subscribe, also bye.